Hello friends, welcome to Math Time with Mrs. Idas. Today we are going to look in our math workbook at lesson 8-3 and then 8-4. You're going to need your pencil and your cubes. Today we are going to do some problem solving by acting it out. Okay, so we're going to use our cubes as you listen to a story I tell you. And then we're going to solve the problem. Let's begin. All right, star number 1 has this story. There are 8 train cars on the track. So let's use our cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, put your 8 train cars on the track. Good job. You take 3 cars off the track. So now we have to count backwards. 3. 1, 2, 3. How many cars are left on the track? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right, friends. 5 cars are left on the track. Remember, you can use your pencil. I'm just using a crayon so you can see it better on the video. Okay, let's go ahead and put our cubes back together. Let's take a look at apple number 2. And here's the story. There are 7 cars on the track. So now we need 7 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 cars on the track. 4 cars pull off the track. That means we have to take 4 away. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many cars are left on the track? 1, 2, 3. 3 cars are left on the track. Good job, friends. All right, bring your cubes back together. Now we're going to have another story for fishy number 3. Are you ready? Okay, there are 6 fire trucks in the station. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the station. 2 trucks leave. 1, 2. How many fire trucks are left in the station? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are left in the station. Great job, friends. You are doing a really good job acting out these story problems with the cubes with me. Let's continue and turn the page. Oh, look here. We have little bird feeders and nests and all kinds of little birds. All right, let's get our cubes again. We need these. And then you have your pencil ready. Okay. And maybe we'll just draw some dots and use our cubes. So, there are some little finches that are at the bird feeder. Let's choose 4. 4 little finches are at the bird feeder. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're eating the seeds that nice people put out for them, because now that it's winter, it's hard for them to find food. After the 4 little finches eat, 2 of them go. They fly away. Bye, finches. How many finches are left? 1, 2. That's right. 4 take away 2 is 2. Very good. All right. Put your cubes together. We have a story about hummingbirds at the hummingbird feeder. Oh, I think hummingbirds are so cute. They're so tiny. They flap their wings so quickly. They're really interesting to watch. I have a hummingbird feeder very similar to this in my yard. And the other day, I saw 3 little hummingbirds drinking from the feeder. So 3 were drinking from the feeder. And guess what? One of them saw me peeking and flew away. One of them flew away. One decided to go. How many hummingbirds were left at the feeder? 1, 2. That's right, friends. Great job. You really know how to act it out. Put your cubes back together. Okay. So there were some little birds in a nest. These look like cardinals, those pretty red birds. Let's see. 5 cardinals were in a nest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cardinals in a nest. 5. And 4 of them flew away. They decided to go. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many cardinals were left in the nest? 1. That's right. Good job, friends. Now, I want us to go back and review the stories we did. 4 take away 2 equals 2. We did that with our cubes, but let's do that with a picture. Choose a color, any color you like. Let's start with the greatest number because that's the whole amount of birds that we had at the beginning of our story. So for this story, we had 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we said 2 flew away. 1, 2. How many are left? 2 are left. Good job, friends. Let's do the same picture dot representation with hummingbird story. There were 3 hummingbirds at the feeder. 1 flew away. How many are left? 2. Very good. Let's show our cardinal story. 5 cardinals were in the nest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this time 4 of them flew away. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are left? 1. Very good, friends. You know what we did? We just checked our work to make sure that we were correct the first time. Very nice. And if we weren't, it's okay because we can go back and fix it. Let's continue with 8-4. Now, friends, we're going to use something called the minus sign. Can you butter up these 2 important words? Minus sign. Do you see this little dash, friends? This little dash is the opposite of a plus sign. When we have a plus sign, we're bringing parts together. This is called a minus sign. This means we're breaking the whole group apart. We're breaking it into parts, all right? So it's just the same as take away, and this is the symbol. The minus sign is the symbol for take away, okay? Let's see if we can use our cubes to model these problems. I know we can. Let's come here to star number 1 and count how many cubes we have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cubes all together. But we're going to take away 3. 1, 2, 3. 6 minus 3 equals, how many are left, friends? 1, 2, 3. So we can read this 2 ways. 6 take away 3 is 3, or we can say it in another mathematician way. 6 minus 3 equals 3. Great job, friends. Let's continue our learning. How many cubes do we have here all together? All of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So all together we have 7. Now we are going to take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 minus 5 equals, how many are left? 2. Great job, friends. Very nice. All right, let's take a look at fishy number 3. How many cubes do we have all together? The whole picture first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the first number, 5, because it's how many we have in all, in the whole group. Now we're going to take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 4 equals 1. 1 left over. Great job, friends. Let's turn the page and practice with little animals. Oh my goodness. Look at these little bunnies. Did you know that in parts of the world, some animals do not hibernate? Some animals do not migrate. Remember, hibernate means sleep all winter. Migrate means go to a warmer place. But some animals, especially in the Arctic, they do something called adapt. Okay? So some bunnies in the Arctic, when it's spring and summer, their fur is brown. But then as fall comes, their fur changes and starts to become white. Because in the wintertime, there is white snow everywhere. And if the bunnies turn white, they will camouflage. That means they will hide very well in the snow so their predators cannot find them. Isn't that smart? So the Arctic hare does not migrate. The Arctic hare does not hibernate. The Arctic hare can adapt. It can change the way it lives to stay in the same place during winter. Isn't that interesting? People like us, we adapt. When the weather is cold, we put on lots and lots and lots of clothes to stay warm. And when the weather is hot, we don't use as many clothes, do we? That's right, we adapt, and so do the little bunnies, the Arctic hares. So let's see if we can have a story about the Arctic hares adapting. All right? So there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Arctic hares. Let's circle all the Arctic hares. There were 5. One of them already changed its fur to white. So it's no longer brown like the other friends. So 5 minus 1 equals 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job, friends. All right, here's the little raccoons. Oh my goodness, the raccoons. They were messing around in the trash can. 1, 2, 3, 4 of them all together. Can you circle all 4? They were looking for food. And I heard them, and I went outside and I said, shoo, shoo. And 3 of them shooed away. They ran away. But one of them was still hungry. So he stayed. 4 take away 3. And we're left with 1. 4 minus 3 equals 1. And here's another cute little chipmunk story. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 little chipmunks getting ready to hibernate. 7. 2 of them already went to sleep. How many are left preparing for the winter? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 7 minus 2 equals 5. Great job, friends. Thank you for helping me use the minus sign when we practice subtraction takeaway stories. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.